How are we doing, everyone? Today is the same video. It's a Go mining one, but this one's basically how to get started. There's a lot of people who think when it comes to mining Bitcoin, you need thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars just to get started, but no, you only need $26.99. So, Go mining is an extremely easy and affordable way, and it's very beginner friendly. Very. So what is Go mining? Go mining is a platform that offers cloud mining services, meaning you don't need expensive equipment or technical expertise to get started. Instead, you rent hash power with these little NFT miners. And if you want to get started, just head on over to GoMining.com. You can click sign up, or if you already have an account, log in. But if you already have an account, I guess you don't even need to be watching this video. And after you've logged in, you literally just need a address and a secure password. It'll bring you to a home screen. You won't have a mine here. This one's mine. All you need to do to get started is click create a miner. You can start with 1 terahash with 20 watts per terahash for $26.99. It'll even show you your daily revenue. You can switch it to the maintenance fees paying in Bitcoin. So your daily reward will be about 3 cents because the pool payout is 6 cents, but you have to pay for electricity cost and service fees. So that's about 50%, but that is just with 1 terahash. If you want, you can go with the 15 watts per terahash. It's an extra $10, but you get an extra cent. That's just obviously with the 1 terahash. If you have the money, you can start out with 16 terahash. It's a good entry level. It's about $405. You get about 50 cents a day. And you actually will get a better understanding because now you've invested a bit more into it. You're willing to put that step forward. If you have a lot more money because you got lucky in crypto early, you got a nice little wallet filled, you can go all the way for the 5,000 terahash, and it is basically a full-time job for you. 5,000 terahash is going to cost you about $109,000, but it'll generate $160 a day, or $4,806 a month, or $58,482 a year. And that's at the current Bitcoin price. If Bitcoin decides to go up to, say, 150, well, now you're making about $115,000 a year, or $315 a day. This is in US prices. And if you decide to put some money in Go Mining coin and you want to pay your maintenance fees in Go Mining, you get an additional 20%, or up to 20%. So now it's up to $348 rather than the $315. But this is extremely easy to get started. All you got to do is just get your 1 terahash, click next, choose the region you're in. You can pay with credit card, or Apple Pay, or Google Pay, or you can pay by crypto. Either way, this is the best way to get started. My referral code is in the description and in my YouTube channel bio. So if you want to sign up and get started, I would suggest it. Get a nice little NFT that makes it Bitcoin daily. Alright, have a good one, everyone.